Ditch the car ownership headache and embrace the open road. But is Zoomcar the magic key, or just another expense? Step 1. Let's break down the basics. Zoomcar pitches convenience. Book a car by the hour, day, or week, directly through their app. Browse a variety of vehicles, from compact hatchbacks for city errands to SUVs for weekend getaways. And check out the price including fuel and insurance. Step 2. Crunch the numbers. Owning a car comes with a hefty bill including EMI, insurance, maintenance and fuel. Ride-sharing services charges you based on kilometers and time. Consider Zoomcar's hourly rate against these options for your typical trips. Calculate the total cost for different scenarios, a quick grocery run, a day trip, or a long vacation. Step 3. Weigh the convenience factor. No down payment, no long-term commitment, no maintenance hassles. Zoomcar offers undeniable convenience, especially for occasional users. The app shows you the available cars near you. Consider this for your use cases: quick errand, client meeting, or long weekend trip. Step 4. Examine the fine print. Scrutinize the terms and conditions. Pay attention to security deposit policies, mileage limitations, and potential extra charges for damages. Step 5. Experience counts. Before you commit, read user reviews and ratings. And on a successful rental, inspect the car for existing damages and take detailed photos as proof before you start the engine. The verdict: Zoomcar can be a great value, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. By carefully comparing costs, evaluating your needs, and understanding the terms, you can decide if Zoomcar is the perfect travel companion for you.